Hi, Doug Stone, Remax Executive Realty in Westboro, and I'm here with Rich, May One Foundation. Say, Rich, I've been doing this for 40 years, and I noticed that over the years, I've seen three different types of Lally column supports in the basement. I've seen wood, I've seen metal, and I've seen the ones that are temporary jacks with the holes in them. Are they all good?
Some better than others. Today, what you put in is a Lally column that's steel filled with concrete. I happen to have one here. This is what it looks like. Here's the concrete. These are the ones that are used most commonly. You do see these, and you see them rusted. They rust because water comes up through the concrete and causes it to rust from the inside out. The engineers say they lose a third of the strength. So when we replace them, we put a plate on this footing, which is a 2 foot by 2 foot by a foot deep piece of concrete that's level with the floor so that moisture won't wick up. And then we do one thing better. On top, we put a very thick plate on top of this, and it's anchored into the beam.
So what those holes are for?
Yep, those are for the screws to anchor them in. You mentioned you're seeing the wood ones. Some of them are actually tree trunks.
Yes.
And there's usually splits in them. And they're split because the fibers have lost some of its strength, or sometimes you could jab a screwdriver at the bottom so it's not doing what it's supposed to do. And they're usually in those old houses. And the floors can get bouncy. So they're replaced with permanent Lally columns. Now you speak of the temporary ones with the screw jack. They're hollow. They're not as strong. They're supposed to be up, I'm told from some building inspectors, no more than 180 days. And the reason they don't like them, one is they're not as strong, and two is for the safety of the firemen, actually, because the metal will lose its strength in a fire, and then there's firemen up on top and they can get hurt. So that's what we see.
Oh, thanks.